Welcome to our very last lecture. This is a short bonus session where we will share a quick, useful Python trick and leave you with some final thoughts on continuing your programming career. 1. Bonus tip: F-string debugging. You are already familiar with F-strings for simple formatting, but Python 3.8 introduced a powerful debugging feature. By adding an equal sign right after the variable name inside the curly braces, as in operator name equals, the F-string automatically includes the variable name, the equal sign, and its value in the output. This simple feature drastically improves print debugging speed. 2. Beyond the course, continuous learning. The programming world evolves quickly. Your first priority should be to build things. Nothing cements knowledge better than applying it. Create projects, even small ones, that force you to use the libraries we covered, like building a small Streamlit dashboard that fetches data using a Pydantic model. 3. The Python community. Python has one of the best communities in software development. Do not hesitate to engage. Read the official documentation, join forums like Stack Overflow, and explore open-source projects on GitHub. Learning to read other people's well-structured code is a rapid way to improve your own coding style. You have earned a solid foundation in Python. I hope you enjoyed the course, and I wish you the very best in your programming career. Thank you and goodbye. This concludes the course. Thank you for participating.